everyone, it's Natalie. I am here with another great home tour, and it's a beautiful fall day here in Bear Lake. I am in the Bear Lake West neighborhood today. This home is 213 Lewis Loop. It is 2,300 square feet, 4 bedrooms, 3 baths. And being in the Bear Lake West neighborhood, you have access to the outdoor swimming pool, hot tub, the tennis courts, and private beach access. Plus, you're right in the main entrance, so you are close to Cooper's Restaurant and the golf course. So there are so many features here to check out. Let's go see this home.